notification from the Citizen app that there is a fire at the Galileo Temple.
Oh shit.
Which I'm assuming is a synagogue. And and it's a kitchen fire at the Galileo Temple. So you're right. Maybe there isn't a hell. Maybe God seeks punishment for your actions on Earth. And
it's probably true.
There's something here. I can't help but think.
Dude, it's a left only. It's a left only. It's a left only, bro. Left only.
Wait. Get back!
And yet we've moved them from like 40% to 85% or whatever, which in my mind is a tremendous success because you know the running joke of like, what's the difference between a conservative and a libertarian, or a libertarian and an anarchist, or there's many variations of this joke, and the answer is like 6 months, right? Just like, taking someone from like a minarchist to an anarchist or whatever, right? Like it's all about, everyone's on that journey, and you can't force anyone to have this massive conversion in a day.
I hope your near-death experience is worth it. We need to gain.
You probably know me best as a co-host on The View. More importantly, I'm a mom. I talk to a lot of moms, and I'll tell you what, we all want the best for our babies.
He ripped
but each year
the
more
damn
than half
pole
of our
out
babies are born premature.
from over here at the light.
Thank you.